Introducing the new NETGEAR Business Essentials Access Point WAX206. Designed with the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology and 3.2 gigabits per second of blazing fast throughput, providing the performance and capacity required for many users and devices streaming simultaneously. This affordable access point is designed for an easy, trouble-free installation via built-in web browser, with no registration or app required to set up and operate. Engineered with the ability to create its own separate secure wireless network with up to 3 separate network SSIDs. The ideal solution for any home-based business, dorm, or micro-business that needs its own standalone Wi-Fi network. Additionally, the WAX206 has multiple Ethernet ports to connect to wired devices like printers, desktop computers, smart TVs, and gaming consoles. Cost-effective, high-performance, and easy-to-set-up Wi-Fi for your business, at home, or in your small office. The NETGEAR Business Essentials WAX206 Wi-Fi 6 Access Point.